from Nana Berma Ampemdakon, the second Otumi. So this is the maiden edition. Yeah, this is the maiden edition of the OTUFEST 2020, and we're going to have activities in the launch. So we're going to launch OTUFEST 2020 come this year December, and it's going to be a 3 days launch. Then in 2020 December we have a full week for the celebration of OTUFEST 2020.
Now, talking about this festival being the maiden edition, does it mean that the township over the years has not have any festival or was part of a group of communities who are celebrating a certain festival and have the town has shifted or it now on its own trying to develop a festival for itself?
As I said earlier, this is the maiden edition. Akyem Otumi does not have any festival that it celebrates. So this is the first one of a kind to happen in Akyem Otumi.
Now, looking at the launch, what is the expectation for you organizers and also the town folk?
So we'll tell everyone around in Accra, Kumasi, everyone from Otumi, and everyone who is even not from Otumi, that there's going to be great things. We're going to have free health screenings. We're going to have food bazaars. We're going to have exhibitions and all that, trade exhibitions and all that. So it's going to be real fun. So we expect everyone to be there, trooping their numbers. And the people from Otumi in the diaspora, we also call on them to come home. There's a course that can bring them home to Ghana to come and celebrate with us during the launch.
Now, going into such events takes a lot of resources and effort. Having said this, what sort of preparations have you made so far towards this maiden edition, and what is the level of support have you enjoyed from both citizens and also from the corporate world or other organizations who have expressed interest?
All right, so I'll use this opportunity to call on all corporate bodies to come and support OTUFEST 2020, which will be launched this year, December. So we call on you all to come. Any product that you sell, you can get the platform to sell it. And Akyem Otumi is an unexploitable place. From Kede to Nkoko, most of the towns, there are no such things. So if you come there as a company, you're going to really get the market, because the place is unexploitable. So we'll call on all. With the people in the town, those in the diaspora, we are supporting each other towards the festival. So people are supporting, contributions are coming. So that's from the people from Otumi. We have indigenes who are even in Ghana here. The former boss of GBC, Mr. William Ampemdakon, is from Akyem Otumi, and he's also supporting this year's OTUFEST festival and the launch.
Now, what sort of message do you have for people who may not be aware of this maiden festival? What do you have for them in terms of a package? Because during these festivals, people need to get a take home. What do you want to sell out to the people? Because maybe for the guys, they have Homo and they have some other attractions that come with it. What does Akyem Otumi have to give out to people?